channel Chioma Tech TV. I'm Chioma, and today we will continue with our new segment and get to my Chioma. Today I'll be making very yummy cinnamon rolls using Pillsbury cinnamon rolls with icing. Guys, this is one of the best snacks in the world. It's very easy to make and it comes with its own icing. I don't get to eat this quite often, I admit, but it's so good. I bet you'll like it. I bought the cinnamon rolls from Smart & Finals. It is very good and it tastes better than the already made rolls you buy from the store. Seriously guys, I'm not kidding. But before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification button so that you never miss a video because I'm going to be posting a lot. Please, 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 just hit that red subscribe button. I really need your help and support. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients for my cinnamon rolls are, number 1, cinnamon rolls. Guys, this dough is not edible. Please do not eat the raw dough. Number 2, icing. Remember guys, the pack came with its own icing. Number 3, butter. This is just to grease the pan. Remember that I'll always give you all the procedures or steps before we get to the oven. Also, make sure that you get adult supervision because I'm going to be using an oven in this episode and that is very dangerous. Last but not least, don't forget your mittens. I don't want anybody getting hurt. Look at these babies. Aren't they beautiful? But don't worry guys, I'll show you step by step how I made these amazing cinnamon rolls. Guys, let's start off by preheating my oven to 375 degrees. Next, I will open this can with the cinnamon rolls inside. But please do not open this can with a can opener. As you can see, if you turn it around, you will see this peel and pop sign. Just pull that right off, pull it all the way around, and the can will be opened. This time, I will grease the pan with butter because I saw somewhere in the instructions on the container to grease the pan. As you can see, the cinnamon roll can is opened. Now the good thing about it is that it comes with its own icing, which I'm going to be melting in the microwave for 10 seconds. Please don't melt it for too long. 10 seconds should be just enough. Please separate the dough. Do not keep the rolls too close together so that they can have enough space to rise. As you can see, the cinnamon rolls are in the oven. Don't forget your mittens. The cinnamon rolls are baking, well spaced out in the pan and rising very well. It should be done in about 7 minutes. The cinnamon rolls are fully cooked. I'll leave them to cool down for a few minutes before I put the icing. Meanwhile, I'll be melting the icing in the microwave for 10 seconds. Remember to put it in a microwavable safe container. Once the cinnamon rolls are done cooling down, you can decorate them with the icing, whichever style you want. It looks so pretty and beautiful and so yummy. These babies are ready. They look so beautiful and so yummy. Mmm, cinnamon rolls. Yum. Remember, if you like my cinnamon rolls, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that notification button so that you never miss a video because I'm going to be posting a lot. Bye!